Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connections issue on iPhone XR.
Fix 1. Turn Wi-Fi off and on Step 1, open Settings. Step 2. Tap Wi-Fi. Step 3. Turn off. Wait 10 seconds. Turn on. Fix 2. Turn airplane mode on and off. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Turn airplane mode on. Step 3. Wait 10 seconds. Turn it off. Fix 3. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi. Step 1. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi. Step 2. Tap I next to Wi-Fi name. Step 3. Tap Forget this network. Step 4. Reconnect and enter password. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Step 1. Go to Settings General. Step 2. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Tap Reset network settings.